So welcome back. Today we are going to treat geometric progression formula. Geometric progression formula. So the end stem of a GP is given as Tn is equals to ARn minus 1, where A is the first term and R is the common ratio. So Tn is the end stem. So now for sum of terms in GP, it is given as A parenthesis 1 minus R to the power of n all over 1 minus R, where the absolute value of R is greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, the series diverges. So you know what absolute value means? The distance of a number from 0. It's just like, this absolute value is just like, what will I even call it? For example, if you have it is you remember that time there is one film I watch, is Sakaba. This absolute value, if you come to your house, if you do fetish thing, something like that, it must dictate and turn you to be doing good. So this absolute value, if it comes to a good person, like this R is now a good person, if it comes to it, the absolute value of R is R. But if this arrow starts doing bad thing, absolute value of negative R, it will turn him towards good person. So that is it. The absolute value of positive number is still positive, so continue doing good. But if you do bad, absolute value of bad numbers, that's minus, turn you to plus. For example, absolute value of negative 1 give you what? 1. So that's all. So that's the condition. If this R, that's the common ratio, is greater than 1, the series diverge. You know what diverge means? It's going away, away. Understand? So now S infinite, that's for infinite terms, ad infinitum, forever and ever. Infinite means something that we don't know the end. You understand? So if S infinite, the formula will give us what? A over, it's still the same thing, but just remove this one minus R. And if the absolute value of R is less than 1, the series converges. Converge means to come together. You get? So if Sn is equals to A sub n, if R is equals to 1. So Sn is equals to A sub n if R is equals to 1. So now, this thing is just trying to tell us that if the common ratio is greater than 1, that series must do what? Diverge. It must go away, go away. And if the common ratio is greater than 1, you are only going to use this formula to solve it. But if the common ratio is less than 1, you don't need to use this formula to solve it because you will not get the sum. You understand? Something like that. So just use this infinite word series to solve it, because the absolute value is what? Less than 1. You see that the series will do what? Converge, be coming together one place till it dies. You get? So that's it. I don't think it's anything. So what's our next videos? We are going to solve examples on this geometric series. Thank you for watching, and may God bless. Bye bye.